Hi everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on Quick Guide. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get logged into your Evernote account. Now, if you also want to learn how you can get logged into your Evernote account, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's get started. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on a PC, and there on the search bar type in evernote.com and press enter on a keyboard. As soon as you do that, you will be directly landed to its official homepage. Now, in order to get logged into your Evernote account, you have to tap on this already have an account login link. And there you will be taken to its login page. Now, if you have created your Evernote account using your Google account, then you have to tap on this first box which says continue with Google. And if you have created your account using your Apple ID, then you have to tap on the second box. But if you have created your Evernote account using your email address or your username, then you have to type in your email address or username here. And then you have to tap on continue button. And then you have to enter your password correctly. And once you're done with typing in your password, tap on sign in button. And once you tap on sign in button, if the credentials you have typed in are correct, then you will be able to successfully get logged into your Evernote account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video, and I will be back with more videos like this.